ma'am, sinabi nyo, you will not be an attack dog for VP Sara Duterte. What does that mean? Ano po ba ito? Patama doon kay Palace Press Officer, Attorney Claire Castro, na tinatawag ng ilan na attack dog po ng Marcos administration?
Hindi naman po, hindi naman po. Kasi nung unang-una na interview, the very first interview that I had early this year, sinabi ko naman, I signified my intention, pero I mean, of course, our peg was during the time of President Duterte, yung mga spokesperson before ni PRRD, hindi ganon yung style ko. So, my offer, the services that I was offering, hindi ganon. I don't know. Paano ko ba sasabihin yun, DJ Chacha, Sir Ted? Wala ko po akong pinapatamaan, pero hindi ko po tilo, even when I was in a line agency before, hindi po ako mang-aatake ng ibang tao. Kasi I will just deliver the message direct to the point, and clearly na ito yung mensahe from the department or ito yung mensahe from the institution. Regardless of who, regardless of what na bumabatikos, hindi po ganun yung style that I offered to them. And they accepted it kasi hindi rin nga ganun yung intention nila, because ayaw naman rin nila ng kaaway, and the instruction from the Vice President herself was hindi tayo offensive, hindi tayo iinis or manggagalit ng tao. Diretso lang. And I got it. I got the instruction also very clearly.